Configuring NAT, network address translation, on a Cisco router or switch involves the following steps. 1. Identify the inside and outside interfaces. Determine which interface is connected to the inside network and which interface is connected to the outside network. The inside interface will typically be configured with a private IP address range, while the outside interface will have a public IP address assigned by the ISP. 2. Define an access list. Create an access list that identifies the traffic to be translated. This may include traffic originating from the inside network that is destined for the Internet or traffic coming from the Internet that is destined for a specific IP address on the inside network. 3. Configure NAT. Configure NAT using the access list created in Step 2. There are several types of NAT, including static NAT, dynamic NAT, and PAT, port address translation. The type of NAT used will depend on the specific requirements of the network. To verify NAT configuration, verify that NAT is working correctly by testing connectivity between the inside and outside networks. Use commands such as show IP NAT translations to view the NAT translation table and show IP NAT statistics to view NAT statistics. Here is an example configuration for NAT on a Cisco router. Interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/0, outside interface, IP address 203.0.113.1255.255.255.0 IP NAT, outside interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/1, inside interface, IP address 192.168.1.1255.255.255.0 IP NAT, inside access list 1 permit 192.168.1.00.0.0.255 IP NAT, inside source list 1 interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 overload. In this example, the outside interface is connected to the Internet with a public IP address range of 203.0.113.0/24, and the inside interface is connected to the private network with a range of 192.168.1.0/24. The access list permits traffic from the inside network to be translated, and the NAT configuration uses dynamic PAT to translate the private IP addresses to the public IP address assigned to the outside interface.